I don't care about you.
That's all I'm telling you.
I don't care about you. I walk, I do whatever I want. Okay, have a good night. Have a good night. Don't even say nothing.
Hands behind your back. I'm done with this.
Let me do something.
More than ample warnings, my friend. More than ample warnings. Now you're going to jail.
On January 26th, 2025, Orlando police responded to a disturbance at Orlando International Airport. A passenger refused to leave after airport security issued a trespass warning, leading to his arrest.
I'm not trying to start anything on the right. What's up, y'all?
I did nothing wrong. I'm just person.
Sir, you're good. If you, as soon as you come into business, you can
He's
be on the
that
way.
big.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. How are you taking an Uber out of here?
What do you need?
No, you don't. I don't need that.
I don't care. I'm walking.
Yeah. How are you getting out of the
I'm
airport?
walking.
How are you getting out of the
I'm
airport?
walking.
You're walking out of the
Yeah.
airport? Okay.
You have any problem with that?
I do not.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, let's stop going back and forth. Let's go.
No.
Come on, let's go.
No. Don't even touch me. I can walk as much as I want. Okay, have a good night. Thanks so much for coming. I don't care about you.
That's all I'm telling you.
I don't care about you. I walk, I do whatever I want. Okay, have a good night. Have a good night. Don't even say nothing to me. Nothing. No. Even look at me. Go. I don't know you. Look at this. I don't care about you. No, I touch you. I'm touching you. You touch it. You don't touch me.
Let's go.
You see that? No. I'm gonna walk. Look at this. I'm doing something wrong?
No, you're good. You're good.
No. I'm sorry. I wanna ask you a question. Hey, I do something wrong? No. Okay, thanks so much.
Ready to go.
You go home.
All right.
Go night. Go night. No. I'm not doing anything. Look. I can walk as much as I wanted. I can walk. No. I don't care.
I'm agreeing with you.
Sorry, I can walk there, back. I'm gonna walk as much as I want. Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna walk as much as I want. I'm gonna go back and forth as much as I want. Do you have any question on that?
No, good.
I'm good.
Stop.
No. Do I do something wrong?
It's cool. I'm with you. I'm on your side.
I'm gonna go that way.
Perfect.
And come back.
That's awesome.
As many times as I want.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good.
Do you have any question?
No, let's go.
Any question?
I don't.
Very good.
Perfect.
Do you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna home, night. You gonna night. I'm gonna be boom. I don't care. You guys are me up because I was drinking. No. You guys me up because I was drinking. You said I cannot drink anymore. You know what I'm gonna do right now?
I just met you right now.
I'm gonna be walking.
All right.
Forth and back. As much as I want. What are you gonna do to me?
Nothing. I'm going to walk with you.
Oh, thank you so much. You're gonna
You're very
follow me?
welcome.
Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
We appreciate it.
No, I don't appreciate you.
Okay.
I don't care about you.
Okay.
I don't know you.
I don't either.
But you know what?
69 out.
I'm gonna be a bad person. I'm gonna be forth and back.
Awesome.
Oh, policia. Oh, no. Hold on. There is something wrong? No.
It was an accident. It was
No,
an accident.
I know. I'm not going. You don't understand. I'm gonna be forth and back. I'm gonna be. You guys have something to do tonight. You're gonna find out.
That's fine.
No. I'm telling you. Do you know something happening? I'm gonna be a person. You're gonna be not liking me.
You want him? You want him?
We need to go.
No. Hold on. I what are you?
Bam. Yo, Bam. Tell him he needs to go.
No.
Tell him he needs to go.
Hey, we got a nice side.
No, you don't touch me. I touch you. Sir, you're good. Just go.
You're going to trespass now.
I don't get see what's going on.
My friend, you have your ID on your record?
Why?
Please, I need it.
No. You don't.
Yeah, I need to put it on the paper.
Why?
Because we responded here.
No, why?
You're going to be trespassed.
I ain't going to be trespassed.
Yes.
Why?
Because they are in charge of the
I'm going to ask you a
airport.
question. What I'm doing, that I'm going to trespass.
You're causing a disturbance.
No.
I heard you from all the way down
sitting
there.
down
Okay,
here.
listen. It's not us. They run the airport.
Who?
These people right here. We do what they tell us.
How going to be
Okay,
trespassing?
I just need your ID real quick.
I'm not going to give you.
You leaving?
I'm
You need
going-
to leave the airport.
Yeah.
You're being trespassed from the airport. You cannot come back.
Okay, what are you gonna
Do you
do?
understand me?
Yeah,
I'll
what are you
take you
gonna-
to jail.
Why?
Because you're being trespassed.
How?
Let me have your ID.
I'm leaving.
Let's
I'm
go.
going.
You're going out. You're going out the airport. Let's go.
I got a question.
Let's go. I'll
have a
talk to you while
question.
we walk. Let's go. Come on, we'll walk. I'll talk to you. Hold us for a minute. But follow us.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, let's walk and I'll ask you, man. I'll talk to you.
Sorry. I'm just.
Come on. You caught. Look, I came up here. I heard you from all the way over there.
You're
Okay.
doing in jail, or you're doing in...
I don't want to take you to jail.
No, but I'm a question.
But the airport is
I
trespassing
understand.
you.
I just want to ask you a
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Ask.
Who is the one in charge?
Of the airport?
Yeah,
Those
no.
gentlemen.
No. Who is the person talking to me?
I'm talking to you now.
I'm asking a question for you.
Yeah. What's the question?
My flight being in jail, how to say, delayed.
I'm not. I'm just don't want to bump in you.
No, I don't. These people, I'm not gonna do nothing to you.
You're fine. I'm not worried about
They
that.
follow me.
Yeah, they're just. It's a little loud, so they're being concerned.
Let me ask you a
But we're
question.
gonna go walk over to here. So. Sorry. You're all right.
What's your name?
I'm Keith.
Let me just-
You are?
Ilma.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Look, I'm a lawyer in my country. I don't want to do anything. I don't
Okay.
want any problem.
But listen, the airport. This is private property. The airport people own it. If they say they want you trespass,
I'm going-
we have to abide by that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm leaving.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk with you. You're good.
Look,
I want to make sure they know that.
I'm
I'm
not
gonna say,
resisting.
hey, he left.
Can
Okay.
you tell these people?
Do you need an Uber? Or?
No, I'm gonna get.
You need an Uber or you need a cab?
I will get a new Uber.
All right, come on downstairs for the Ubers. I'm showing you where to go. Where you want? Right here's the
Tu tá
cab.
forte, tu que lo policía forte, como se dice em
I don't speak Spanish.
E
Man.
de for polícia
I don't speak Spanish. I'm sorry. I try, but I can't do. I'm not very good at it.
He said that to me that I was speaking Spanish to him. He was mad at me.
Whew.
He's the guy.
All right,
I speak four
this
languages.
gentleman right here. Just tell him where you. Or this. I didn't see you hiding over there.
Look,
Where you need
can
to-
I tell
where-
you something?
where you need
Can
to
you
go?
tell these people to go home?
No,
because
they are in charge
I'm gonna do it.
They're in charge.
Charge what?
They're in charge of the
No,
airport.
but you police, I'm saying I'm gonna leave.
Okay, tell her where you need to go so we can get you the right cab.
I wanna go to Florida Mall.
Florida Hotel.
Florida Mall, the mall.
Okay, but the mall, okay.
Esse mesmo.
Okay, but I have to know like exactly when they drop you that's wrong here.
What is?
You're gonna go with him. You drive with 774.
No, I don't know these people. I don't know. No. No.
Is this something that I should worry about before he goes?
No, he's not violent. Yeah.
He's not going me. He's not
No,
going
you're going by
me.
yourself.
These people, I don't know them. I don't know these people.
They just brought you to me.
Okay,
Yeah.
por
They
eso.
show you safe.
It's you and her. You and her,
No.
buddy.
I want to make sure that she know. I'm not
Yeah, we're
going
not-
with you. I'm not going
I
with
know
you.
they police.
No. You said to me, I'm not getting arrested, right?
No,
Okay.
you're free to go.
I'm not going with you. I'm not
Okay,
going with
Do
you.
not touch me.
No, these people here, I'm not going, none of them.
Okay.
No, zero. Zero, he's going home, he's going 99. He's going 99.
Come on.
No,
Walk the
don't
cart,
touch.
your tag's right there.
He's going 99, he's going, esse aí ganha 99. Enviar vai dormir. Vai dormir.
Okay, you ready to go?
No.
They're ready for you.
You go home.
I have to be here till 6 in the morning.
You just said to me, you come to me, you bring, now I go, you're 99.
Okay, go get in your cab.
Ciao.
Go get in your, I'm not
I
leaving.
will-
I'm
why?
not leaving till you get in the cab.
I don't get it.
I'm done with this. I'm done with this. Yeah. You gonna get in the cab or you gonna give me your ID? If you get in the cab, I don't need your
You
ID.
just said.
All right, well, let's get in the cab.
Sorry.
Good luck to you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Have a blessed
Can I
day.
tell you something?
What?
You're doing something wrong.
No, I'm doing everything right.
No, because I'm a poor people.
Please.
Y cuando una persona hace malo,
Okay,
tú
you're
no
going to
haces.
talk yourself into something you don't want to do. Go.
What are you gonna tell me?
Come on, let's go. Come on. Thanks, brother.
So my question to I just don't want these people like to
He's not violent, right?
Okay.
Yeah, he's fine. He's a good guy.
You see that?
He was just worried.
You see what you guys making him feel?
No,
He's feeling
you
bad.
were making him feel like
he's
that.
feeling worse.
You're fine. He's fine. Let him
You know
load
what
your
you guys
stuff.
need to do? You need to guys fight crime, not me.
Okay.
Because
Have a good
I'm
night, my
no,
friend.
I'm gonna tell you something. I'm
Okay.
not fighting
I'm
crime.
done listening. You need to leave.
I'm done listening. Why are you mad with me?
Because I want you to get to your
But I'm
spot.
telling you.
You
just
told me
saying
a
to
lot
you.
of stuff. The gentleman's waiting. He's
I'm
trying to make
telling
money.
You need to fight crime, not me.
I'm fighting crime.
No, you're not.
Go ahead.
You talking to me.
Have a good
A
night.
poor person.
Have a good night.
A poor guy American person. What are you doing talking to me?
The gentleman's gonna leave and you're not gonna have a
I
cab.
soy americano.
There you go.
Bro, you guys are joke.
We will.
It's a joke.
Get some rest, my friend.
You know what? I wanna hear your name.
Bye-bye.
Can I have your name?
No.
No, I'm gonna have your name.
Right there.
I will take a photo.
Want a card?
Oh no. I will
I'll give you a card.
I have phone.
I got card.
Do you know what phone means? I can take
There you
a
go.
phone. No, I don't carry a phone.
There you go. There you go.
There you go.
That's me right there. Phone number and everything.
Do you know I'm gonna do this?
You can keep it.
No, I'm gonna go. You guys will report one.
Go for it, man.
Because you're doing to me.
Okay.
He's a piece of shit.
In the car. No, you're not a piece of shit. I do not think you're a piece of shit.
You do?
No, I don't.
Hey, I'm not talking to you.
No. Please get in the car.
What are you gonna do? Hey, but you see that?
I'm done. You ready? Put your hands behind your back. I'm done with this.
Let me do something.
Give me your hand.
Give me
Quit
your hand.
resisting.
Quit resisting. I got it. Get him on his side.
More than ample warnings, my friend. More than ample warnings. Now you're going to jail.
Sir, let me ask you something. I just wanna go home.
Okay.
I don't wanna do anything wrong.
Well, right now you're going to jail
Why?
for trespass after warning.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
So they told you to leave several times.
I was fine.
I would love to explain to you how this works if you let me. If you don't interrupt me, okay? If you tell me, if I'm at your house and you tell me to leave several times and I don't leave, I'm trespassing. That's kind of how that works. This is their house. In the burgundy and in the gray polo shirts, the airport is their property, okay? They told you to leave a bunch of times and you didn't leave. You made your effort to come here, however, you didn't leave. You didn't hurry up and got in a cab. Therefore, you were trespassing still, okay? That's how that works.
Can I just go?
No, it's too late now. You could have, you had a chance to.
I
and you
was
didn't.
trying.
No, you weren't.
What's the name of your police officer, the guy?
What happened?
What's the name of the guy?
I don't. What's the
The
name?
name of the guy.
Oh, you took a picture of it and he gave you a card.
But you guys took me out.
No, but you still have all that stuff. It's in your property.
Bro, I just want to go home.
We would have loved for you to go home. I wanted you to go home.
Sir, can you hold for him?
He's busy.
I just want to go to my house, bro. I don't want to do anything.
Where do you live?
Can you see me?
Yeah, right now it's too late.
Why you guys take me? Bro, you guys going to destroy my life for no reason.
We didn't do it. You did it. Before Sarge gets here, can we put him in the back? All right, so we're gonna stand up, okay? As much as I could on the left side, I believe. We gotta get the right side.
Yeah. You want to put him in the back?
Hey, we're gonna stand up, okay?
Yep.
Move over a little bit. Go that way.
Sir, I'm not doing anything wrong.
No worries. Just hang tight, all right?
This case examines private property authority, trespass law, and de-escalation failure under Florida Statutes Section 810.08. Trespass requires willful entry or remaining after warning. The warning must come from an authorized person with control over the property. Airports occupy unique legal space as private property serving a public function, while privately operated. They cannot arbitrarily exclude individuals without legitimate grounds. The critical question here, what conduct justified complete expulsion from the terminal? Being asked to stop drinking, then walking in a public area, raises proportionality concerns. Graham versus Connor established that actions must be judged as objectively reasonable. Airport security's decision to pursue criminal enforcement appears disproportionate to the behavior. Officer Keith demonstrated remarkable patience, offering multiple opportunities for voluntary compliance. He maintained professional composure, used calm communication, and avoided immediate enforcement. However, he failed to exercise independent judgment about the underlying justification. Officers are not obligated to arrest simply because private security requests it. Professional discretion requires evaluating whether conduct justifies criminal consequences. The subject's resistance created additional charges under Florida Statutes Section 843. Lingar, resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor in Florida. Even non-violent resistance transforms a simple trespass into a more serious criminal matter. His decision to physically pull away guaranteed arrest regardless of underlying merit. Airport security staff failed fundamental de-escalation principles throughout this encounter. Multiple personnel surrounded and closely followed the subject. Escalating tension. No space was provided. No time allowed for calming. No verbal de-escalation attempted. This tactical approach treated a non-violent individual as requiring constant containment. The decision to weaponize law enforcement for a customer service issue demonstrates poor judgment. Officer Keith receives a B- for professional conduct but lack of independent discretion. His patience and de-escalation efforts were exemplary within the framework he accepted. However, he never questioned whether this situation warranted criminal justice involvement. The subject receives a C+ for catastrophically poor decision-making despite valid confusion. His provocative behavior and physical resistance directly caused his arrest. Compliance followed by legal challenge is always superior to physical resistance. Airport security receives a D for escalating a minor issue into criminal enforcement. Their tactics violated de-escalation principles and demonstrated absence of proportionality. 3 critical lessons emerge from this incident for all parties involved. Officers must exercise independent judgment before enforcing private security requests. Citizens must comply with lawful orders and pursue legal remedies through proper channels. Private security must use de-escalation and reserve trespass warnings for legitimate threats. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss.